So when we look at the business and we look at what we do for our clients, our core value is to be the best. So we focus on how can we be the best. Well, that requires us to be the best, to focus on the areas that we can control and be the best in. That's why we only do manufacturing and distribution. You don't see us doing other industries. We feel, if you look at our customer base, that's all manufacturing and all distribution. If you look at that customer base, nobody else in the country has got as many successful implementations in that particular industry as Ultra does. In addition to that, it's the people. We want to be the best. So that means we have to hire the best. So we've developed some methodologies, some recruiting methodologies to find those people that are the right people for our customers, to be the best. And the last is the service. We want to be the best. We want to have the best customers. We want to have the best success. So that drives us towards delivering services that are going to help our customers truly improve their business. We're not just there to do an ERP selection or an implementation and do it on time. We're there to help them improve their business.